lesson. Today we are going to continue with our government book Unit 9 Animal Shelter. As you know, in the previous video we were talking about present continuous tense. We use it to talk about an action happening right now at speaking time. For example, listen, somebody is crying. Shh, be quiet, your father is sleeping. Look, it's raining. So we use emizar and verb ing form. But be careful with the spelling rules. Here are some activities we are going to do them about present continuous tense. Let's start from this activity. Put ing form at the end of the verbs here. First one, examining, taking, feeding, getting, watching, making, doing, sitting, riding, and running. Be careful. If the verb ends with E, we cross out E and we put ing here. Examining, taking. But be careful. If there is a short vowel and a consonant, we double the consonant. Here, sit, sitting. Run, running, get, getting, swim, swimming, stop, stopping. So double the consonant. Let's see the next activity. Here are some animals that are doing different kinds of activities here. It's a fun activity. Of course, these animals can't do these activities, but let's enjoy together. What are they doing? So these sentences are false. We are going to make them correct. Let's see it together. As in the example, the cat and the dog aren't catching the mouse, they are doing exercise. Here, cat and dog, they are doing exercise. Let's see, the kittens are sleeping under the tree. They aren't sleeping under the tree, they are playing football. Very good. The elephant is swimming in the lake. The elephant isn't swimming in the lake. It is roller skating. The lion is lifting weights. No. It is riding a bike. The chicken is drinking water. No, it's fishing. The rabbit is roller skating. The rabbit. No, it is skateboarding. The bee is flying a kite. It isn't flying a kite. It is lifting weights, we can say. The monkey is playing with the ball. No, it's swimming. The cow is eating grass. No, it's skiing. The turtle is climbing mountains. The turtle isn't climbing the mountains. It is playing tennis. The final one. The sheep is running in the garden. No, it's ice skating. It isn't running in the garden. So you can see. This is a fun activity. Let's see the other activity together. Here are some verbs here. Feed the sheep, make the cow, paint the doghouse, collect the eggs, examine the puppy, adopt an animal, water the vegetables, clean the barn. So what are they doing? Use present continuous tense and complete the sentences with these verbs, with these activities. Let's see. She is collecting eggs. He is watering the vegetables. They are adopting a dog or an animal. She is painting the dog house. Next one. He is feeding the sheep. She is examining the puppy. He is cleaning the barn. And finally, he is milking the cow, we can say. Match the question with the answers here. puppy? That's a wonderful idea. I love pets too. Dad, can I play with the puppies? Sorry, you can't. They are ill. Can I help you? Of course. Clean the cage, please. Okay, you can see the answers here for the dialogues. Complete the dialogue with the correct verbs. Doing, are, isn't, sitting, sleeping, aren't, having, is, and making. Let's see. At the moment, Tim's sitting in front of the computer in his bedroom. He is doing his science homework and his dogs sleeping under his bed. His two sisters are watching a movie in the living room, but they aren't enjoying it because it's really boring. His father is in the bathroom. He is having a shower. His grandma isn't here. She is visiting her friends. His parents are in the garden. His father is doing barbecue and his mother is making salad. So, Tim, look at Tim. What is he doing? He's sitting in front of the computer. So, what is he doing? He is doing his science homework. What is his dog doing? Sleeping under his bed. What are his sisters doing? They are watching a film. Okay. Who is having a shower? His father. We can say. Sorry, his grandfather. What is his father doing? His father is doing barbecue. His mother is making a salad. Very good. Well done. Put the verbs into the present continuous tense. Let's put them into present continuous tense. The weather is very nice today. I am at the zoo with my family at the moment. There are lots of animals here. We are watching a lovely small elephant. It is playing with the water. Oh, there! Look, there are 4 monkeys over there. They are climbing the trees. But a little turtle is sleeping under the tree. It is not climbing a tree. Wow! There is a lion over there. It is running so fast. It looks very strong. There are lots of rabbits here. They are jumping and eating vegetables. Read the text in exercise 11 and answer the questions. So what is the weather like? Let's see. Very nice today. Nice. Okay. It is really nice. Where are they? At the zoo. What is the elephant doing? Let's see. What is the elephant doing? It is playing in the water. It is playing in the water. How many monkeys are there in the zoo? Let's remember this story together. There are 4 monkeys over there. 4 monkeys. Very good. 4. Is that little turtle climbing a tree? No, it isn't. What is the lion doing? It's running. Is the rabbit hopping? Yes, it is. What are the rabbits eating? They are eating vegetables, we can say. Read and complete the Kate's postcard with the given verbs in the present continuous tense. Let's see. Hello, John. I'm writing this postcard. Hello, John. I having a holiday with my family. It's sunny and very hot today. There are lots of animals here. At the moment, I am painting the dog house. My mother is collecting eggs with my cousin. My uncle grows lots of vegetables in his garden and my father is watering them now. My uncle is in the barn and he is cleaning it. My grandmother is milking the cow and she is really good at it. But I am not. My little sister is very happy. She is feeding the dogs. A vet is examining my lovely horse, Princess, because it looks ill. I like riding my horse in the afternoons. My grandpa and my cousins are very tired. They are sitting under a tree. We can say this is a postcard from Katie. Read the text exercise 13 and put a tick in the correct one. True or false? Katie is at animal shelter at the moment. No, she's in a farm. She's on a farm. She's on a farm, we can say. Kate's uncle has a farm. Let's see. Uncle, yes, that's true. Her parents are working on the farm right now. That's true. Her grandmother can milk the cows well. That's true. Kate is good at milking the cows. Not true. That's false. Her sister enjoying feeding the dogs. Great. Well done. That's true. Kate's horse is well and she's riding it now. No, it is ill. Her grandfather is working at the moment. No, they are tired. They are sitting under a tree. So these are the possible answers here. So let's see, we have some tests for you. Then I am going to finish this video. The squirrel is climbing a tree. Can I? Yes, that's a good idea. Dogs are good friends. Can I adopt a puppy from the animal shelter? Because take the kitten out, no. Water the vegetables, donate money to the animal shelter. Köpekleri severim diyor, iyi arkadaşlardır diyor. Yani, can I adopt a puppy from the animal shelter? Hayvan barınağından bir köpek yavru köpek sahiplenebilir miyim demiş. Sally and Bob feeding the dogs, they giving seeds to them. They are giving, so they like. It's here. Sally and Bob like feeding the dogs. They are giving seeds to them. Can I feed the dog? Not now, because it's ill. Your father is taking it to the vet. It's ill, hasta. Değil mi? Veterinere götürüyor. A bee can give us what? Give you eggs? No. Help people? No. Have wings? Yes. Live on the water? I don't know. Let's see, this is the best answer. Which animal do you like? They are so pretty. Parrots. Parrots are my favorite ones. Choose a false option according to the picture below. False one. Yanlış olanı bulmamız gerekiyor. Tom is feeding the rabbits. Tom. Yes. My mother is watering the flowers. Yes. Grandma is milking. Milking, not feeding. Okay, this is the last one. Wrong one. Okay, everybody, we are finishing our video here right now. Take care, love you, bye bye.